Numbers card, the ship. Hi, do you like go sailing? The most important vehicle for sailing is a ship. So now let's build a big ship together. The body of the ship is shaped in trapezoid, like this. The long side is on the top and the short side is below. Let's draw a cabin shaped in rectangle. Here are some square windows. We can watch the sea view through the windows. In addition, the ship has chimneys. They are rectangles. Great! Here we have a big ship. We can take it for sailing now. Oh, I forgot one important thing. There must be some lifesavers. They could help us stay safe. One big circle and one small circle. One lifesaver and two lifesavers. Nice! We made a ship. Now I have a few questions for you. Can you tell me how many trapezoid in this picture? Yes, there is only one trapezoid in the picture. Can you tell me how many rectangles in this picture? Right, there are 4 rectangles in this picture. Can you tell me how many squares in this picture? Correct, there are 4 squares in this picture. Can you tell me how many circles in this picture? Excellent! There are 4 circles in this picture. Now you can color the ship as any color you like. I can't wait for sailing!